Hi, Candy Love Sparkle here. We have a toddler for sale. I've decided to put him out. I don't really want to, but I have so many dolls and he's so big and he needs help to stand up. You'd need a doll stand or kind of rest him against something. So I just don't have a whole lot of room, but he's beautiful. He was done by Lilani Carter by Adorable Bundles Nursery. He was a custom order. He's the Ping Lao sculpt. I can't remember the kit name right now. I'll look it up. Rooted eyelashes, rooted hair. He's absolutely beautiful. Modeled skin, texturized. Even has a scratch on his hand. Anyways, and he wears like a size 2 to 3-year-old. He's really big. He's absolutely beautiful. Anyways, if you're interested, I can take some pictures and I can do a details video. Just comment below or email me at lubalayna@yahoo.ca.